these 2 years, we are facing a typical issue where people always are looking at cost reduction, sometimes at the cost of quality. This is one area where we have to safeguard our quality and at the same time giving cost-effective solutions. As a brand, we cannot jeopardize the quality. So we are reducing the cost, but at the same time also taking care the quality is also not hampered. Whatever we provide services or spare parts, or what are the solutions we give to the customers. Second factor which is happening most important is that customer wants everything yesterday. So that is the biggest thing happening now. So we are improving our stock situation to meet those challenges, requirements of the customers. Because nowadays customers don't want to stock any parts in at their end. They want everything now and now. Because they also can't have any inventory blocked in their ships or in their site. So that is another challenge we are facing, but we are overcoming that, increasing our stocks, our spare parts, and at the same time reducing the cost without compromising quality. Yeah, we have experienced in these last 16 years of our company, we have experienced this. There has been cyclical phases, but honestly speaking, we have not been hampered by that because our services, solutions are very unique. We provide for turbochargers, which are very critical for an engine operations. And whether our industry is up or down, our pricing level is always competitive in the market. So whether it is today our entire industry is booming, it doesn't mean that we will give very high prices. It is not like that. Our pricing is always competitive. That's how we are able to grow in the last 16 years. We are now operating in 7 countries worldwide. And we have many customers worldwide to give us repeated jobs because we have proved that we can give good quality solutions at cost-effective prices. Yeah, there are many new technologies coming up. For example, now with the new IMO regulations for fuel, for example, where people are now, all the ships, they have to go for some kind of scrubber technology, otherwise something like that. Otherwise, they cannot be in operation after 2020, something like that. This gives new challenges in terms of even equipments. For example, from our side, turbochargers, we have to think on the design part because, for example, if a scrubber is fitted on a vessel, there may be a back pressure. We have to redesign certain specifications. So that is our challenge, and in fact, we are working on it now to give cost-effective solutions in this area to the customers. Okay, our headquarters are now located in Singapore. It is here since 2015. We are happy with that. We are happy with that because Singapore is a very important marine hub in the global marine industry. We are happy with that. We would like to continue with that because having a presence in Singapore, we are able to cater to the entire global market. And the best part here is the logistics is very, very fast for movement of spare parts and everything. So that is helping us a lot in our global industry and our global market. Now we are also looking at Africa seriously, especially the MENA region. We have set up a workshop in Dubai recently, about 6 months back, and that is a focus area where West Africa, we have a lot of inquiries from customers in West Africa zone, and we have also attending many power plants in Madagascar and Kenya. So that is definitely an area where we are interested, and in time to come we are going to expand to those areas also in Africa. Of course, that is a booming area. In addition to that, there are many other areas where we are also focusing, where there are low cost ship repairs are now being conducted. For example, now we are looking at Indonesia, some areas in Philippines, for example. These are also areas we are strategically looking at to expand ourselves. Shipping industry, the mentality has to change now. Of course, it is changing. The people who are at the helm of the affairs, they should be able to have more risk-taking ability. Because we have seen our experience, many times they pay high amount of money for the same service because they don't want to take a risk. Because if you see, if you go for standard companies like us, it is worth taking a risk. Instead of going to high brand value companies, paying very, very, maybe double or triple the price. So you can have a cost saving really when you have a risk taking ability. That is one thing has to change in the mentality. This is basically a thinking process. But it is changing now. It is changing. We are able to get the benefit of this kind of change in attitude, and we are growing in the process.